What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tori, and I'm back. I woke up and took a shower. So, actually, I've been woke up, but I was lying down, But now I'm up. I'm about to make some soup. But I don't think I'm gonna record it though. Recording when you're making food is so hard. Like, yesterday when I made the salmon bowl, I had to be like picking up the camera and it was fun though, but I can't do that all the time. So I'm just gonna make a quick ramen bowl with some eggs. Then I'm gonna spread my bed. I'm thinking about washing my pillows because I haven't washed them in a while. Not the pillowcases, the pillows. I'm gonna change the sheets like closer to Christmas as well. But yeah, I had some coffee earlier. This is the coffee I had from Wawa. I can't drink like a full thing of coffee. Sometimes it'll last me like 3 days because I just drink like 4 ounces each day. So that's what I'm about to do. Today I'm gonna wrap some gifts, and then some supposed to arrive today. Oh, and I ordered the seaweed online because they had like today's shipping. I ordered it today. So it's supposed to come at like 6 p.m. And I do have like some leftover salmon left. So I'm going to try it again today with the seaweed to see like what the seaweed does. Like, does it make it better? Like what? But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to go make something to eat. And then I'll be back to start wrapping gifts. Wanted you guys to be like a part of it, but I can't because I know my mom watches and some of my family members do up here that I'm gonna be gifting these to, so I don't wanna, so I can't wrap it. Like, I can't so I'm gonna come back when it's all done. I have to find a marker because I need to start writing who's what. But everyone's at the house, so I figured I would just wrap it now before people get back so that I can start putting them under the Christmas tree. So yeah, I'll be back once I am done. Using the Primark bag. This is the paper is a bit hard to fold though. And the tape isn't sticking to it that well. Or maybe I need better tape. But this tape is sticking fine. Yeah, I'm not using this. I don't like it. So much for that. Now I probably could have used the bag for something else. Alright, you guys, so I'm all done wrapping the things that I need to wrap. And the other stuff, I have to get bags for them, so I might go to the store tomorrow to get that. So yeah, I'm probably going to go to the store tomorrow to grab some bags to put other stuff that I can't wrap in. And then I'm all done. Like, I'm all done. I think I have one more stuff that's supposed to come, but it's running late and I don't need it anymore, so I'm probably going to return it if it doesn't come on time. We'll see. But yeah, this is about it. I just have, so yeah, I'm going to get the bags and then I'm going to do that. But yeah, today wasn't really, we didn't do a lot today. I didn't do a lot today. I was just home. So I am going to wrap this vlog up now because I don't have anything else to do. Good morning, you guys. Don't mind my hair. It's looking a bit raggedy, but I took my wig off because I wanted to like redo it because I think I've had it on for almost a week. So I'm here now. I didn't wash my pillows yesterday, so I'm gonna wash them today because like they have gotten really think about it, but like they get dirty. So I'm gonna wash them because I'm trying to start the new year off with, you know, everything clean. Today's Thursday, by the way, and I'm gonna wash the pillows today. I was gonna change my sheets today, but I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. Or I can, but I have to change it later because the sheets that I want to use, I put them up, but I don't know what. I'm always forgetting if I washed the sheets before I folded them up and put them away. Like, I always forget. I feel like I do, but at the same time, I'm like, did I? So I'm gonna rewash it in case I didn't wash it or I washed it to put it on. And then, remember, if you watch my Primark haul video, I got some sheets. So it's gonna be black and pink for my sheets. And I want to watch my silk pillowcases because I like to make sure those are washed, so that because I usually use these to sleep on or throughout the day when I'm just lying down and I don't want to wrap my hair in a bonnet. This works perfect. Also, if you've seen this pillow in my video, you're like, or you see me putting this on the bed, you're like, what the hell is that? This is also a pillow. This pillow I got because this is newer, so I don't have to wash this one, but I've had it for like 3 months now, I think, and it's pretty clean. But I think I can just wash the outside part of it though, so I'm gonna do that. Gonna wash the outside so it's nice and clean. Yeah, gonna do that. Yeah, so this pillow is I got this pillow because I have been having like shoulder problems. Like my left shoulder, like since the pandemic started, have been like hurting really bad. And I think when I used to work as well, and I used to be sitting at my desk, it used to hurt a lot. So I would have trouble. It would just pain me, and I think it's because of how I slept and stuff. So this pillow, it's like foamed in a way for you to lie on it, and my neck would hurt too. So it has this little curve right here to put your neck, and then I wouldn't know how to rest my hands while I'm sleeping, so I would sleep like this or like this, and then my arm would hurt. So it has these two like slots here, so when you're sleeping you just kind of curve your arm around it and sleep. I don't want to put my head on it because I just put oil in my hair. But yeah, so I was using this a lot, and I'm not gonna lie, it has helped my shoulder because I haven't really had this shoulder doesn't hurt that much since I've been Guys, I'm waiting for my waiting for my spread to dry so I can put it on the bed. I'm just chilling. Everyone's wrapping gifts, and I'm watching a Christmas movie. Eating this cookie. Oh, so good. But I can't believe Christmas is Saturday, y'all. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. We got the tree all up. We were supposed to go to the Christmas village today, but because my mom has work tomorrow, she has a lot of stuff she has to get done. Her and my grandma, so we won't be able to go today. But I think I'm gonna go tomorrow. By myself, maybe? Because no one will be here. I ordered tablecloths for my mom, and I think they got here. Let me see. I'm so heartbroken, even though you're perfect for me. Yep. Yeah. Okay, Ronnie and Buddy, bad timing. I'm taking a break from dating. Let me see how it looks. Let's see. I think we ordered like a tablecloth and a table runner. Alright, so that's, your typical white tablecloth, and then you got like a runner. It's like, it has glitters on it, so it's supposed to be cute, match the theme of the living room. I mean the dining room. But yeah, I'm gonna go sit down and finish this movie. And for today, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up because there really isn't anything left to do. I might go to the store later, but it's gonna be too late for me to go and then edit this video, so I won't show that. But yeah, finished right. It took me a while to spread this bed, even though I'm going to bed in a few hours, but at least the sheets are clean. So I am gonna close out this vlog, and I will see you tomorrow for Christmas Eve. Tomorrow will just be, I think I'm gonna go to the Christmas village, not too late, so I can come back, then watch movies, you know, simple stuff that you do on Christmas Eve. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, press that notification bell, leave a comment, all that. Bye.